Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyways, today's video is going to be basically, let me explain this video, okay? I was preparing this room, this filming room, whatever, and I was like cleaning my products, and there was just like a lot of products where I was just like, I haven't used this in a hot minute, or some products I've never used before. And I want today's video to be like looks featuring palettes like I either don't like, not really not like, but haven't used. So today's look, well, in terms of the eyes, because I already did the face, like my face routine is stable, like I can't put anything else in it. No. So yeah, I was cleaning my makeup and I found this. It's the Huda Beauty Amethyst Elements, or no, Amethyst Obsessions, and I can tell you I've only used this probably once or twice. I don't do like, I of course use purple in my look, but I've never done like, not never, but I don't do purple looks. Purple is one of my least favorite colors. I'm sorry to all the purple fanatics out here watching this. You might get offended, I don't really care. But I don't like purple, and I don't like green. You won't see me use that often. And if it was because I was just trying to like see if I liked it, and I didn't. But today we're gonna be doing looks, and when I say looks, like I plan to do more than one look with this palette. But again, I don't like purple, so we'll see. Okay, so I don't know why I decided to do a voiceover, but we're doing it. So I'm going to start off with the 16-Hour Camo Concealer by e.l.f. To prime my lids. I'm not a big fan of this concealer, but it's like the only one I have, so I have to use it. And I'm just blending it with a Makeup Check beauty sponge. Okay, so for the first color, I decided to step into another palette because the Huda Beauty palette didn't really have the purple I was looking for. So I'm using the Coastal Scents Creative Me palette, and I'm just taking that purple shade and basically creating a wing. So to blend on top of the purple shade, I'm using the pink shade from the Huda Beauty palette. It's the really light one, and I'm just making sure they're blended together. So now I'm taking the deeper matte shade in the Huda Beauty palette and putting it in the wing so I could deepen it up and smoke it out. So I'm going back in with the pink shade and making sure everything is blended and cohesive. So I actually had to step into another palette, the 35B from Morphe, and I took a really light dusty pink and just used it as a transition shade to make everything blended. Then I took the really dark matte shade from before and used it to smoke out my lower lash. So I combined the 5th and the 7th shimmer and decided to pop that in my inner corner. And although I do not like purple, I really liked how that looked. Do y'all see this? Like, please tell me I'm not the only one who gets a runny nose while they're doing their makeup. Like, that's why y'all see me in boogers sometimes. Like, it's so sad. Never get lost in the gloss, but never lose your gloss. Don't get lost in the gloss, but don't get your gloss lost. I said that, me. Today, we're gonna be doing a matte lip. I tried to do one yesterday and I ended up putting gloss on it. Like, the lip wasn't even bad, I just put gloss on it. This pencil needs sharpening. Oh. I like how like I rather like pierce my lips than like sharpen a pencil. Make it make sense, stupid. I sound so depressed. Like, is this what my friends hear all the time when they're with me? I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna be doing something really ugly, something y'all probably, look at that booger, just mocking me. Ugh. What's it called? Yeah, now I'm about to do something outrageous. Like, I don't even know if the girls are doing this no more, but I'm about to put concealer on my lips. Like, this used to be such a popular thing, and now people just like, I can't believe I used to put concealer on my lips. And I'm just sitting here like, but I do be doing that. So, what that mean? I kind of look homey, so country, like country bumpkin. Is that a good thing? Let me clean up this area, and then we could talk about it. I think I don't like purple because purple, green, and blue, although I do like blue, it's just hard to blend. Those are the really hard colors to blend because it can get muddy, it could look nasty, like those blends could look disgusting, uncohesive, and it's hard to bounce back from an uncohesive blend, you feel me? That's why I just don't go into those colors. But this look is, I think because it's so simple that even if your blend is kind of ugly, like you can't really see it because it's like a smoked out liner. So like I'm okay with it for now. But like, is purple gonna be something I like? Maybe 2020, you know, like it'll open you. I don't know, I can't even see it. I can't finish the sentence because I just don't see it happening. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for like being here, because it really means a lot, especially the fact that like I continue to my freaking booger. Like, ugh. I don't really know what to say, but thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm trying to choose a cover. Ooh, that was good. I like that one. But yeah, bye.